how to redeem Dragon City codes. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and straight with you guys that there is actually no certain feature redeeming codes on Dragon City as of 2024. Now, you just have to be aware that if there is someone selling you various or any kinds of coupon codes or whatsoever, those are not valid because Dragon City do not offer or they do not operate on entering codes and redeeming those while playing the game. Instead, you can claim gifts for free. You can have like bonuses if you log in through the web store. You can get like 110,000 event coins if you participate on those events and so on and so forth. And all those gifts, you can actually get those on the web store. And if you want to get like premium items, you don't need a code. You just go ahead and straight to the Dragon City store through the web store or through the app because they do not offer or they do not operate a certain coupon codes or any other codes for you to claim it on the game.